Pabirong tinawag ni US President Donald Trump ang Strait of Hormuz na Strait of Trump na bahagyang nagpasaya sa kanilang tagapakinig. Ang Strait of Hormuz na isang crucial shipping lane ng malaking supply ng langis ay hawak at binabantayan ngayon ng Iran.
We're negotiating now, and it'd be great if we could do something, but they have to open it up. They have to open up the Strait of Hormuz. Excuse me for this. I'm so sorry. Such a terrible mistake.
Sa nakalipas na isang buwan, ang pagmamatigas ng Iran na ibalik ang malayang paglalayag sa Hormuz Strait ang iginigiit ni Trump na dahilan ng patuloy na pag-atake ng US. Hindi naman maitago ni Trump ang kanyang pagkainis at sinabing sa laki na ng pinsala na natamo ng Iran, wala itong magagawa kundi ang makipagkasundo.
Currently, as we speak, I just looked. We had another big day. We hit them. They don't know what's happening. Remember this? They lied about 3 days ago. I said, yeah, we're negotiating with this. We are not negotiating. They're being hit so hard, anybody would be negotiating.
Samantala sa kanyang talumpati sa UN Human Rights Council, nanindigan si Iran Foreign Minister Sayed Abbas Araghchi na iligal ang ginagawang pag-atake ng US at Israel sa kanila. Inakusahan nito ang US at Israel na genocide dahil sa dami na ng Iranians na kanilang pinatay at tinawag na brutal na agresyon sa kanilang mamamayan ang ginagawang pag-atake ng mga ito. Binigyang diin ni Araghchi na hindi sila ang nagsimula ng giyera, ngunit kailangan nilang ipagtanggol ang kanilang sarili at gagawin nila ito hanggat kinakailangan.
Iran has never sought war. Iranians are a peaceful, noble nation inheriting one of the richest civilizations on earth. Yet, they have demonstrated absolute resolve and determination to defend themselves against the brutal aggressors, a defense that shall persist as long as needed.